Exercise number 142. Dear Sir, my committee have considered your communication of the 12th instant, drawing attention to several matters relating to the denominational schools in your district. Para, the enlargement of the Cross Street schools received special consideration, and my committee are of the opinion that something should be done immediately in this direction to enlarge them again as they were enlarged 10 years ago seems to be necessary, and it is hoped to commence building operations during the coming summer and save time. My committee purpose giving the contract to the original builder of the schools. Para, as the whole of the lighting of the schools requires overhauling, my committee have arranged for a report on the matter, and as the in conditions of the mental in the offices here is very satisfactory, it is probable that similar incandescent lights will be fitted throughout. Para, notwithstanding your remarks, my committee think there will be no unfairness to the voluntary schools of the district owing to the recent circular coming into force in the autumn, and are of the opinion that nothing should be done to hinder its working. Yours very truly. Exercise over. Total words 187.